Hi guys, this is Akai Professional, Akai MBK Mini. This box contains included software MPC Essential Hybrid Available. And let's see about this bag. Here this box contains MBK Mini, USB cable, user guide is also present, safety and warranty manual is also present. Then Akai Pro MPC Essential Hybrid 3x Yard Music Tech is also present. The software included in this Akai Professional MBK Mini is MPC Essential Hybrid Wobble MBK Mini Editor. These softwares can be downloaded in www.akaipro.com. And let's see about here. It contains compact keyboard and pad controller. Let's see about this. Here is a USB cable port. And here is Akai Professional MBK Mini. Let's talk about this first. The box contains MBK Mini, USB cable, MBK Mini editor, software download code, user guide. The top features of the panel: USB port, USB cable to connect the USB port on the computer. This is not included in this update. And next we have to see about the sustain pedal button. In sustain pedal button, connect your optional 1/4 TS sustain pedal to this input. And next let's see about the keyboard. In keyboard 25 keys are present that contains pad controller, and in 25 keys keyboard is very sensitive. Then about octave down. In octave down can control a 10 octave range. Octave down, up. Use these buttons to shift the keyboard range up or down. Press both octave buttons to restart the keyboard. Then about arpeggiator. In arpeggiator, on or off, and tap tempo is present. In arpeggiator on or off, press this button to turn the arpeggiator on or off, and hold down the arpeggiator on or off, and press a key on MBK Mini keyboard to enter a new settings of the Akai MBK Mini. Then about the time divisions. Then time division 1/4. The time division for 1/4, 1/40, 1/8, 1/80, 1/16, 1/16t, 1/32, 1/32t. These are the time divisions. Then about mode. This mode determines how to appreciate notes are played back. Here up notes will be ISO from the point, so lowest to highest, and down notes will be sound from the highest to lowest. Then exclusive, that is lowest to highest and back down only once. In order, notes will be sound in order they were pressed. Then about random, that random will be in the random order. Notes will be taken as in a random order. Then about latch, the arpeggiator will continue the arpeggiator. You can use this arpeggiator for new notes for latch contents. Then about octave range, arpeggiator octave 1, octave 2, octave 3, octave 4. These are the ranges of octave. Then about swings, it contains 50. It is no swing. Then swing 55, 57, 59, 61, 64. These are the swings. Then about tap tempo. Tap this button to determine of the arpeggiator the minimum number of taps required for the MBK Mini editor. Then about XY controller. Here this is the XY controller. Use this XY controller for the 4-axis thumbstick to send MIDI pitches bend messages. Then about pads. Pad 1, Pad 2, Pad 3, Pad 4, Pad 5, Pad 6, Pad 7, Pad 8. There are like 8 pads. And this Pad 5, Pad 6, Pad 7, Pad 8. These are program selector. Pad 5 is program 1 and Pad 6 is program 2, Pad 7 program 3, Pad 8 program 4. And these pads are used to trigger the drums, the thumb hits of the software. Pads are very velocity sensitive, which is very responsive or initiative of the top channel. Then about bang AB. In bang AB, press this button to switch MBK mini pads between pad bang A or pad bang B. This comes under pad controls. Then about CC. When this button is active, MBK mini pads will send CC messages instead of MIDI note messages. Then about program change. In program change, we can use this button for active. Then you can use as a MIDI MPK, MIDI program change messages instead of MIDI note. That comes under pad controllers.